my god, my Hello Clean parcel just arrived. Okay, let's do it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, in today's video we're gonna be reviewing Hello Clean. Now I just got my parcel delivered, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna put it up, and then I'll come back to you in a month or so when I've tried the product and I'll have an opinion. Alrighty, I feel like for the first time I'm prepared. I got a pair of scissors here, so let's just do it. I mean, not gonna lie, for a shower head this is a pretty big box. Like, it barely fits in the frame. Of course it's full with paper, so let's start by taking this out. Oh my god, I see it. Okay, so this is how the box looks like. Let me just say, this little thing was quite expensive and I'm really curious to know if it was worth the money. I was looking for a review on YouTube before buying this product, but I couldn't find it. I don't know how no one ever reviewed this product, so here I am. I'll tell you guys if you should buy it because it's revolutionary or if you should save your money because it doesn't do much. I guess you'll have to stick around to find that out, but I discovered this through my Instagram, so I guess this is another Instagram made me buy it type of video. Okay, I'm quite intrigued to see how it actually looks like, so let's open the box. This sliding is harder than it looks. So it says purifying shower head, casing and cartilage. Again, the box itself is pretty plain, of course, but let's just crack this open. Oh, right. I mean, for the amount of money that I spent, I was not expecting anything less. So it comes with a little instruction leaflet, which is a guide to refilling the shower head. And he has like the different steps. Then he has this little thing which says Hello Clean on it, and I'm not really sure what this does, but it's shown in the leaflet, so I'm assuming we'll use this for something at some point. And then last thing in the box, there's the shower head, which comes in this little pouch. Let me see how it looks like. Okay. You know what, right off the bat it feels very big. Like, to hold on to it I need to use my whole hand. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm talking about. Same time it feels quite light. It's definitely a weird shape though. I don't know how much I will like it. So the aesthetic of it, I think, is something you need a minute to adjust. I feel like at this point in the video there's not much that I can say because I haven't tried this out, and I mean, looking at it I just think it's weird, so I don't really have a proper opinion about the aesthetic as well. I think I need to get used to it, honestly. Okay, let's go put these in my shower, shall we? So welcome to my bathroom. The lighting is horrible, but this is low-key the only place in the flat that is some sort of finished already, and you guys will get a sneak peek of that in this video. Okay, let's take the old one out. So this is the one that came with the flat. Like, how horrible is it? I really hope this works. Ah. Ah. Oh my god, I was so worried it was gonna be a different one. Ah, perfect. I mean, I guess it's on. I think it looks great, but let me show you guys. Okay, there she is. I think it kind of matches the aesthetic of this bathroom a lot. But of course, we're gonna test if it actually does anything to my hair. So I just got off the shower and I have to say my hair feels pretty good. It's not tangled whatsoever and it generally feels kind of soft. I mean, this is not the first time of me washing my hair with the Hello Clean shower head, and I know that I also need to tangle the product that I use for in the shower, but I kind of really like it. I mean, is it expensive for a shower head? Yes, but If you think about it, also are these, and I love my Tingle teaser so much. I mean, I call this investment. So it's been a couple of months since I've been using the KLEAN shower head, and I thought it was about time to give you guys my review. So here we are. Not gonna lie, I actually do really like the product. I mean, it is crazy expensive for a shower head, and I don't really have any, you know, hardcore proof that it does the job, but so far I really been liking it. I love the design, which is kind of funny because when I first got it I was like, I don't know what I think about it, but really like the design, really like the look of it. I love how small the little indents are, and so the water that is running down, it just, I don't even know how to explain it, but it feels so nice and luxurious. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to get in the shower. Ever since I got it, I do really like it. I will recommend it, although I do know that it's a very expensive kind of product, and so, you know, you do the math, but for me at least, I think it's kind of worth it. I do live in London, which is known for its hard water, and so yeah, even though I'm not 100% sure if this thing does the job, it makes me feel better, and I do really like how my hair and my skin feels afterwards and ever since I started using it. And so with all these being said, I guess I will give this product a thumbs up. And this leads us to the end of this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments down below what video would you like to see next, and of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!